welcome back to Silver Dragon Brothers, and we're here with Miss Kira, right there, Kira. Why are you running? So this is how you train your dog to not bite. Isn't that right, Miss Kira? Let's get on with it. Nose boop, do nose boop. Do nose boop. You wanna do nose boop? Okay, do the nose boop.
That's your little ball.
So this is how you train to not let a Siberian Husky bite you. Look. Oh, ow. No. That's one way. To let them know you're not happy about them biting you is to say no in a really low voice. No. And put a toy in their mouth so they'll learn they can only bite the toys. But it's not really their fault they bite too much. And it's just their instincts that goes on. Like really, when they lose all their baby teeth and they grow their adult teeth, they bite more, and all your progress will be lost. So try to do it after the baby teeth are gone. No.
Broke a rib.
Okay, so the next trick, you can teach your dog how to lick. Yes.
Demonstration. An example. Show me.
Let's see over here. Now, treats. I recommend Blue Buffalo treats. See, she already hears the treat. Now, we just need that little clicker and some treats. Over here, we got two treats.
Show the clicker and the treat.
Right here. Okay, so let me demonstrate, okay? Okay. We can't let any distractions come. Kira, come. Good girl. Kira, sit. Good girl. Get a treat. Kira? No distractions. You still eating your treat?
She is. Just
Kira,
wait for
kiss.
it. Wait. Okay.
Kira, kiss. Come closer.
Come on. I can't. They can't see your head when it's like this.
Okay, Kira, come. Kira, come.
Kira, come. Let's go.
Sit. Kira, pay attention. Kira, sit. Kira, sit. Too loud here? Too much distraction? Okay, Kira, come. Too much distraction, Kira, so give us just a second.
So let me show you the toys. Tomorrow, go find a place to train. I'm gonna show them the toys. Okay. This is Gabriel, so this is her toy. She clearly loves it. This is her blanket. She loves to bite it.
We have a perfect spot.
No, wait. This is her snake. Yeah.
Okay, look.
This is her little cage in her bed. Isn't it cute? This is her robe. You put this in her mouth when she's biting you. First demonstration, right? This is where you put treats in, and when it rolls, treats come out. This is her squeaky toy. Her first one. This is a bone to also stop biting for the couches, but not for humans.
Okay, so here's a trick. You can rub the treats, if it has particles, on your hand, and you can say kiss and put their hand in their snout, and they'll lick it. Okay. And now they're learning how to do a kiss. Kira, come, look, kiss. Right in front of them. Kiss. Kiss.
Do it.
That's a good girl.
Good girl.
You kiss. Once you feel their tongue, you have to give them the treat. Because they kissed.
Sure.
Now, that's only the ways that we know how to stop a Siberian Husky puppy biting.
Yeah.
There's
Let me just.
also, I think another way, but I don't remember. So let's do some montage of Siberian Husky puppy doing tricks. Isn't that right? Okay.
Wait, can you hold this?
Alright.
To let the people see me putting the treats inside here. It's what it's made for.
Yes. We'll need the clicker for this. Yeah, this is also the thing that helps your dog's brain. Because those are, the hole over there is for treats to go in. So she'll get the treats out. Look. Look at this. Kira, look.
Treats.
Look. Look. Kira, look.
Okay, the treats don't come out perfectly. It's still a work in progress. But if it goes up, oh yeah, it did it.
Okay, now it's time to say goodbye.
It's time to say goodbye.
Hope you guys.
Do we do the boop? Do we do the boops?
Yeah.
Do we do
Okay.
the boop?
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's do
a little boop. I don't know.
boop, 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 boop.